Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mala Sofiana and you can call me Mala. My student ID number A21222043. Okay, I am now make video about the use instrument laboratory. Here I will explain one of the tools in the laboratory, namely the burette. The burette is a cylindrical laboratory glass apparatus that has a measuring and the faucet source underneath. A burette is used to drop a number of liquids taken in experiments. The burette is very accurate. There are various kinds of division or types burette, which are group basis and designation. Types of burette basis. 1. A macro burette. A macro burette is a burette whose capacity is 50 milliliters and the small scale can be read up to 0.10 milliliters. 2. The semi-micro burette. The semi-micro burette has a volume capacity is 25 milliliters with the small scale reading up to 0.50 milliliters. Burettes by designation. 1. Acid burettes. Acid burettes are used for acidic solution, nature, and oxidizing solutions. 2. Base burettes. Base burettes are used for alkaline solutions. It has a rubber spot tip with a glass ball that functions much like a faucet. 3. The hourglass burette. The hourglass burette is a burette made of brown or dark colored glass. The burette is used for solutions that are easily oxidized by sunlight, such as potassium permanganate or iodine solution. 4. Universal burette. Universal burette is a burette that can be used for all types. How to use burette? 1. The burette is clamped to the stand in a position perpendicular to the level of the water. 2. Check the burette first. The faucet must be easy to turn and not leaking. If the faucet is difficult to turn off leak, remove the faucet and smear the surface with Vaseline. 3. Rinse the burette with the solution to be used for the titration, then fill the burette with the same solution until it is above the 0 point. 4. Flow the solution by opening the faucet and make sure the pipe column under the faucet is filled with solution. 5. Adjust the fluid level until the meniscus is exactly at 0 or another number and record this initial number. 6. Begin the titration. The left hand holding the faucet while turning it and the right hand holding the Erlenmeyer flask containing the liquid to be a titrate. During the titration, the Erlenmeyer flask is shaken in a circular motion so that the solution dripping from the burette is mixed immediately, and so on until the end point is reached, marked by a color change. How to clean the burette? 1. Discard any remaining useless solution in the burette. 2. Clean the burette with the washing solution and rinse with distilled water. 3. Drain and remove the burette faucet. 4. If the solution contains alkali or base, then the solution must be discarded immediately and the burette cleaned immediately because the alkali or alkaline nature can make the faucet keep frozen or difficult to open. Thanks for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.